Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. Today we will see how to make different crafts using different things. So at first we are using some walnut shell to make a craft, and you can see the ends are carrying the walnut shell. Next we'll make different craft. We'll make a hand shape on the paper and we'll make the face. Next we'll make the egg part with the paper and paste it with each other. You can see how realistic it is looking now. Next we'll use some leaves to make the different craft. I guess we are making a train, and yes, we are making a train with the leaves. We have also added the horn and some wheels to it. We have also made some different animals. You can see how good it is looking. Next we'll cut some paper into different shape to make the next craft and sizes, and we'll paste it on the paper to make a beautiful hat. You can see how beautiful it is looking, different color papers, and this is ready. Next we are using some paper and we are tearing it and we're pasting it on the base. And now we'll use the clay to make some ends. We have also added the eyes and the legs to the ends, and you can see how good it is looking now. Now we are using a circular shape paper and we have folded it, and now we will make the face of the bull, the scary bull, and we'll paste it with the paper, and this is ready. Now again we are using some different color paper and we are folding it in the triangular shape, and we'll make the next cartoon with it. You can see we are adding the face to it, and this is ready now. Now we'll draw some butterfly on a paper and we'll cut it. Next we'll add some flowers to it, and you can see how creative it was. We'll also make different tree, and this is ready. Next we'll use some paper and we'll paste it on different paper and we'll make a beautiful lamp with it. Now you can hang it or play with it. Now again we are tearing some paper, some different color paper, and we'll paste it on the base. Now we'll make the face, different emotion, different expressions, and you can see how good this craft is looking now. Next again we are using a plastic bottle and we are rolling it with the tissue, and we are using some glue and we will paste some flowers to it. Next you can see you can use it like a lamp, and this is ready now. Now again we are using some yellow color paper and we are folding it and giving some cuts to it to make a beautiful flower. You can see how beautiful it is looking now, and this is ready now. Thank you very much for watching the video.